They are here. We got them. One more piece to the puzzle is left, but today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro silicone cases. I don't just have the iPhone 13 Pro silicone cases, we have all the different colors. So this video is just for you guys to see what it would look like on your devices. There's tons of new colors this year, 10 different colorways. That's a lot. So in this video, I'll just go through the unboxing experience, show you guys what you could expect, and yeah, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Let's jump on to the unboxing. All right guys, so as usual, you know I'm gonna do a giveaway. So if this video hits 700 likes, I'll give away one of these cases. All you have to do is just follow me on my social media platforms right here. Comment down below what color case you'd want, and obviously it's only for the iPhone 13 Pro. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into it. I think I said it was 10 cases. It's actually 8. So we have 4 on the side, boom. So yeah, it's actually 8. Yeah, so we have 8 different color cases, and let's do the eeny meeny miny mo. Eeny meeny miny mo, catch up with bice toe. If you ever let him go, eeny meeny miny mo. Okay, so we're actually gonna unbox the product red one first. Interesting. And of course, the iPhone 13 right here, iPhone 13 Pro. This is actually a mock-up device, but it's literally the same dimensions and everything, so you guys can see what it looks like. First thing first, this looks just like the one from last year, and these are expensive, guys. I think it's like 60 something Canadian dollars for them. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this red one. So this is the product red. Of course, if you buy anything product red, it supports a great cause. So if you ever want to, you know, support, buy product red. Okay, so there we go. I could already tell this one looks a little bit different. Okay, they didn't give us any plastic wrapping this time. Usually, last year they had like a plastic over it, so there's no plastic this time around. Case does feel a little bit sturdy, which is nice to see. Yeah. Even the Magsafe lining in here looks a little bit different. Let me grab my iPhone 12 Pro case so you guys can see right here. I'm sorry guys, I'm just kind of intrigued. So yeah, the Magsafe lining is different. If you guys can see this, so this is the iPhone 12 case. This is the iPhone 13. You can see the Magsafe lining is a little bit different. They might have did that just for a stronger Magsafe, and you can see a huge difference when it comes onto the camera lens. So yeah, this thing is huge. All right, so yeah, that's nice to see. Let's try to put our iPhone 13 Pro in. There we go, and boom. All right, so it fits nicely. The red one, product red, it feels just like last year's model, you know, silicone case. There's not much to say about it, but yeah, this is what it would look like if you get the red version on the Apple iPhone 13 Pro silicone case. The black one looks really nice. You can't go wrong with black. This year I think the black might be one of the most popular ones. But yeah, that's the red one. We have a couple left, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna speed through the unboxing experience because you guys just saw what the red unboxing experience was like. So we're just gonna speed through the rest and then show you guys the cases individually. So yeah, let's show some real speed. Alright guys, I just unboxed all the cases. Now we're just gonna try it on with the iPhone 13. I think I'm gonna go for this green one first. I'm not sure what this is called. Let's see. So the green one is actually called Clover. Alright, let's put all this to the side over here. Boom. Alright, first up, green. So this is the green one. What do you guys think? Looks really nice. I think it works well with the black phone. One thing I could say is that the lip protection for the camera is massive this year. So if you look closely, guys, you can see how much this lip protection protrudes over the lens. And I think that's just to protect it. For example, last year, there's no like protrusion, but this one, if I put the case down, you could feel it's kind of unbalanced on like a flat surface table. So yeah, Apple is really serious about protecting these lenses. So I guess the 13 Pro lenses are massive. Now let's take a look at this chalk one. I think this is right here. Let's see what it's called. Chalk pink. I don't know why they didn't have a white one, guys, but yeah, this is chalk pink. This is really nice. I know, like, I would say this is a female case, but people are gonna like, oh, what if guys want chalk pink? Do what you want to do, man. But yeah, this is chalk pink. Boom, there we go. This is nice. I like this. Gives a nice little off-white vibes. As you can see, man, the camera lens is huge. Nice Apple logo on the side. It feels good, I must say. But this one, I feel like this one will take up a lot of lint, just so you guys know that. But yeah, this is the chalk pink. This is gonna be a very popular one. I feel like a lot of people, females, gonna get this one. It looks nice. I don't think I've seen any chalk pink or pinkish case from Apple before. This might be the first time. So this is Abyss Blue. Apple, I don't know where you get your names from, but yeah. Inside, you know, we have this nice velvet type material. Magsafe is a little bit different this year. Let's go ahead and place that on. I actually have a Magsafe charger over here, guys. So let's see if it actually works. It does work, of course, a little bit. There we go. The Magsafe actually fits weird this year. I think it's a bit higher. You guys can see it's almost like touching the lens. But yeah, this is the Abyss Blue. Almost like a deep navy blue. Looks really nice. What do you guys think? Next up, so this is another blue, but this one is called Blue Jay. I remember this one because Toronto Blue Jays, of course. So this is the Blue Jay case. Button layouts, always a darker shade, which I really like. They started to do that, like, I think 2 years or a year ago. The cutout for the lightning port. Can't believe we still don't have USB Type-C. But yeah, that's the Blue Jay. This one is nice. I would rock this one. I said before, if you have the black iPhone, if you get the black iPhone, you don't have to worry about anything. There it is, Marigold. Feels nice. Slap our iPhone in, boom. And of course, guys, because this is a dummy model, I can't turn it on, so you can't see that MagSafe animation. But rest assured, whenever you get your devices and you put on these cases, you will see a MagSafe animation like this. For example, it's a blue case. I put this on, you see the blue MagSafe animation. You'll get that whenever you get your brand new iPhone 13 Pro, but yeah, for now, it's blank. This is a stealth case, like Batman type vibes. Midnight black, boom. You can't go wrong with this, guys. One thing I could say is that you can see this ring. It's like an actual hard plastic. The ring that covers the lens is actual like hard plastic here. So yeah, Apple really taking this lens game serious, guys. But yeah, that looks really nice. Midnight black. Pink Pomelo. Pink Pomelo. I don't know where they get these names from, man. But here we go. Pink Pomelo. It's like a hot pink, in my opinion. Looks really nice, though. Boom. Look at the sides. Power button. Volume up and down. There we go. So this is Pink Pomelo. And of course, the first one we looked at was the product red. Let me know what you guys think so far. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite? We looked at all these cases, 8 of them. I'm not sure why we didn't get a white case this year, only if I forgot to order the white one. But the closest thing we have to white is the chalk pink, which is right here. And all the other cases is just not as vibrant. I guess we have to wait until next year, summer, to get more brighter cases. But so far, this is everything we looked at. The Marigold was kind of nice. Midnight black for sure. The Blue Jay was nice as well. The green one is cool, especially because of fall coming up. This one is called Case Clover. The Clover one. This one was cool. I liked it. So my top 3 would be green, red, midnight black, and Blue Jay. So top 4. That's my top 4 picks. Let me know what you guys would pick down below in the comments. And yeah, that was the case lineup. Let me know what you guys think. Will you be picking up an iPhone 13 Pro? Let me know down below in the comments, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button to get to the 700 likes so you can enter the giveaway. So giveaways is super simple. As soon as the video hits 700 likes, make sure you comment down below your Instagram name, which case you'd like, and that's it. As always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.